Yo.
Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, boil your pancit for 7 minutes. Once the 7 minutes is done, leave in the pot with its water for 10 more minutes, and set aside. Next, cook your shrimp by simmering them in a pan with water. Don't overcook your shrimp. They should look like this. Once cooked, transfer to a different container, and set aside. Next, cook your squid like this. First, sauté your garlic in butter, then add your squid. Stir everything together. It should look like this afterwards. Boil some eggs. Poach your pechay, afterwards set aside. In a hot pan, let your ground pork simmer in water, until cooked. Once cooked, add oil to the hot pan and sauté your chopped garlic and onion, with the cooked ground pork. Afterwards, add pepper, tinapa, then, mix it all together. In a separate bowl, pour 2 cups of water, per 1 pack of mamacitas mix. Thoroughly mix. Afterwards, pour the mixture in with the ground pork and stir. Leave for a few minutes. Once it looks like this, drop in 1 shrimp bouillon cube. Once the bouillon dissolves, pour in your sauce on top of the noodles from earlier. Finally, add your toppings from earlier, starting with your pechay. Then your boiled eggs. Shrimp. And lastly, your squid and chicharron.
So good and tasty. Thanks for watching.